right? What is Vosteed up to now? I hear through the grapevine that this one is a collaboration with one of your favorite knife YouTubers. But let's go ahead and dive in here and see what we are working with. Bada bing, bada boom. You probably have heard of a channel here on YouTube called Stassa23 Knife Therapy. And that's your guy right here. This is a collaboration with Nick from Stassa23. Ooh, baby, it's looking good so far. We got some paperwork, a sticker, some wiping cloth, and more paperwork. But I don't know why the pictures maybe didn't do it justice. I pictured it being a little bit smaller, and I am pleasantly surprised. There's actually pretty much a borderline medium-sized knife here. So that's right off the bat looking good. I'm pleasantly surprised. There we go. That's the clip in and out. Okay, that's solid. We'll come back to that in a moment. But let's check out the blade here. Ooh, baby. All right, this one's called the Inferno. And in case you don't know, Nick is doing a little bit of a theme going on with all his different knife designs. From what I know, he was in a very bad plane accident and he got burned about 80+% of his body. He was disabled and decided to start a YouTube channel. And he's been making content for a long, long time. Has reviewed thousands of knives, and even though he's not a knife designer, you know, as he says himself, he definitely knows what he wants in a knife, right? And this one here is kind of like the evolution of his first design, which was the Fireball with Devo knives. You probably have seen that one here and there. Absolutely beautiful design. I can't get enough of it. I love me a good sheep's foot design all day, every day. And this is his first design as a fixed blade, from what I understand. And you want to kind of keep with that theme of fire, right? Fireball, Inferno, which I think is a pretty cool theme, by the way. It's got a flat grind, stone wash finish on this one. We're looking at 14C 28N steel. It's very nice micarta on this one. They have this kind, and they have the blue and gray one as well. So 2 micarta options, and then there's a black G10 option available as well. We got a lanyard solution back here, right? A little lanyard ring back there. TA hardware on one side, captive on the other. Full tan construction throughout, which is nice. Good little plunge grind situation there, right? And a pretty tall flat grind. And then as far as the ergos go, check this out. Full 4-finger grip with my average size hands, right? This is kind of like a finger guard right here. You are locked and loaded, good to go. A little bit more fine jimping in this zone right here for your thumb, and a little bit more spread out, strategical, tactical jimping here towards the front. So whether you're doing some tip work, doing a little bit of grip like that, or maybe you want to put your thumb a little further up on the blade, right? Depending on what type of cut you're doing, whatever the case may be. Right, you should be good to go, man. Come on. It's feeling pretty good here. Reverse grip. That feels nice. Do a little gas station fighting grip or a little Pakal grip. All right, those all feel pretty good. Right, it's got this sort of like oval shape towards the back here. And then it might be a little bit harder to see, but it has like a little bit of a ripple here. Maybe it's a little bit easier to see on the G10 version, but there we go. If I turn it at an angle, you can see, right, this little ripple effect there. That absolutely adds to the grip. It's the same thing on both sides. If I can show you, I'm just trying to find the right angle. There it is. Kind of like a wavy pattern on both sides. And that absolutely makes it be even grippier, right? The micarta is already doing a good job. It's a great handle material, and Vosteed has been putting this micarta in that blue and gray one on a lot of their models recently. So if you're looking for matching gear, that's a good option to go with. We have a pretty lengthy blade here. I'll probably pop some dimensions on screen so you guys can see what the overall dimensions on this one are all about. And as far as the sheath here, right, got this sheath from Vosteed, drain hole right here at the bottom, has this SOAR, the S-O-A-R clip. And the good thing about this one is it actually turns 360 degrees. So if you want to do a little vertical carry, you're good to go. If you want to do a little scout carry, you're good to go as well. This one's especially good with, like, if you have a belt, right, on your jean, your pants, what have you. This one's pretty solid. Or, I mean, you could pretty much do your own if you wanted to. It looks like there are multiple adjustment points. If you go with a fixed hole and then these oval shaped little areas, allows for you to fit a variety, right, a significant variety of different pocket clips. If you want to go OT clip or your favorite aftermarket clip, you absolutely can do that, no problem. Got a little section right here to push, right, the sheath away on the deployment, and there is, yeah, absolutely no rattle right there, which is nice. I got a satisfying click there. That blade is not going anywhere. And once you're ready to go and get some work done. This one's going to be an absolute slicer. And you have this little belly here at the front. So if you need to do like tabletop cutting or some slicing, or even cut some specific items with the tip itself, right, you can do that no problem with this one, right? You're going to be all right. Everyone's favorite budget steel, 14C 28N, right? Can't go wrong with this one. And it's coming in at a pretty sweet, affordable price. So that's just a cherry on top. So I'll have this one linked down below. They just dropped a few days ago on March 13th. I just got it today, so I'm making the video ASAP. So you guys can check it out and pick one up if you're interested. It helps support Nick from Stassa23 Knife Therapy, right? Absolutely a cool dude. And overall, I mean, it looks like a very, very banging, very awesome design right there. And overall, I mean, it's looking like a pretty sweet design for a fixed blade. I mean, sign me up. Even the cutting path is pretty significant. The blade to handle ratio, come on, look at this thing, right? That is an absolutely beautiful looking fixed blade. For sure, I like that it has a very nice and low tip. So it's kind of like a drop point, but very low, where it could be, kind of gives you warny vibes, but not quite. So a nice little warny drop point blend. Leaf shape, maybe spider coat, right? You threw a hole in there. If you threw a circle right there and you told me that's a spider coat, I'd be like, okay, that's, I can see it. Kind of got the little dead bird looking aesthetics in a way, but that is truly unique in its own right. And I got to give credit here to Nick for knocking it out of the park, guys. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.